Yeah, hi, good afternoon, students. This is Raja again. And in this video, as mentioned last time, I'll be helping you with the sales analysis, Chapter 6, Excel Chapter 6, Part B, sales analysis. And in case you haven't started on this, I'm just going to go over the assignment and explain again the concept as we. Okay, so the first step, we're going to create a table by inserting a table including the headers. Okay, and you give it a name. Okay, then the next step, in the previous assignment, if you remember what I explained, the different type of filters that we explore, like the standard filter, the built-in with the table, the slicer, the advanced filter that we explained here, and how you apply that type of filter. Also, you can use functions. And there's a function called the filter function. So it's a dynamic array function that allows you to easily filter a range of data based on the criteria that you define. Now, the difference between the function and the filters that we explain, like the slicer, which is very visual and easy to the user interface, easy to implement. The function the function filter has kind of a unique feature where you can combine criteria using the and and an or. So in this particular step, that we are going to use the filter function in cell N4. Okay. And according to the instruction, we use the filtered function to retrieve records from the sales data table with a payment type of a cash and a quantity of a greater than 2. So the payment, only the cash payment, and the quantity over 2, or they are a club member. So how can we write this using the filter function? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. So this is N4. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Actually, I went ahead and typed it and I inserted that, but I'm gonna just explain a step by step and kind of walk you through how you insert this. Okay, in that's the result. This is how it should be, as you can see. Apply the filter, and that shows you the result of this function. Now, how we write this or type this, and you just explain it step by step. So we start with array, which is the sales data table, and making sure that we include all the records. So it's going to be hash all, and all the fields. That's how you write it. Well, you include all the fields and all the records, comma. That's the array. Now, the criteria. Okay. Oops. Sorry. We need 3 open parentheses. Sales. Again, we are going to insert the first criteria. Okay. So that's the payment type. Okay, we got this, and we're gonna go ahead and insert the criteria. So the payment type, so you can see all the, now instead of the headers here, it's going to include all for all the fields and specifically for the payment type should equal cash. Okay, and we close that as parentheses, and this now the star here it present and. Remember that we said we can use and or. Sales data, or actually instead of doing that, let me just click on the field and replace that header with all. Okay. Greater than 2. Okay. And or using the plus sign, or it says the sales customer club member, if they qualify also if they're club members. So pretty much meaning, again, include all data equals yes. This is how we say club member. And okay, so with that we completed the included one comma, and then now we just type the if error, just show blank. Okay, and that should I need to make sure that just make sure that you have the right numbers of open parentheses and close ones. Okay, I'll just double check that is correct. The cells. Hit enter, and show me the result of this filter function. Okay. Right, moving forward, so the next we're gonna insert the database functions. So the D functions, or the database functions, are type of functions that are designed to easily aggregate and retrieve data from a database, where